You got the hiccup.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. You really do it because, you know, you can't really fly. You know, totally up to you. Whatever you want to do.
What are you doing?
You know, you won't get it very much, not, you don't.
Check out the stage, but I didn't hear it.